What up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I go by the Lost Entrepreneur. Check it out. This week's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, as you've seen from the title. If you made yourself to this channel, just know that we do unboxings, t-shirt business. I'm going to start doing door dashing and just a bunch of entrepreneur stuff. Like this video, drop a like. Stay tuned to after this intro. We got to unbox this baby. As you guys can see, you already know what it is, but we gonna see right after this.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Alright, y'all, check it out. This is gonna be a quick little unboxing. I'm probably gonna try and press something, never unbox it, so I don't even know if it needs batteries or anything. But this is, I believe they call it a Seeutek mini press. I'll drop the link in the description. I got it from Amazon. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get this bad boy open. Let's see what's in here, guys. So it's a lot smaller than I thought. Do I need this anymore? Don't think so. We'll go ahead, toss that right there. But this is the little box that it comes in. Go ahead and read the back. For you, unusual objects in tight spaces and hard to reach places. Now, let me tell you guys why I got this little machine. Because I do have a big heat press. Got the Cricut cutter. And I want to get a hat press, but this should work. All right, guys, let's get right into this. I'm going to switch the camera around and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. All right, y'all, check it out. We're going to go ahead and unbox this right here. Get this little box open. And that's basically what it looks like. A little base holder. Let's see what else they got in here. This is just garbage. Put that to the side. But then you got the actual machine. Now this machine literally, I don't know, but I can kind of grab it with my whole hand, kind of. And this little heating pad, let's see, what is it about the size of? About a bar of soap. Looks about the size of a bar of soap, honestly. But we're gonna go ahead. Looks like it just plugs in. We're gonna go ahead, plug this bad boy in. See how the settings work. Looks like it's just on the side right here. Comes with a button. High, medium, low. Looks simple to use. Plug it in. Looks like it would probably start heating up. And we're going to go ahead and try and press something. I don't know what, but we're going to press it on this thing. This little box thing is flat. I tried it. I had a hat. Don't know where it is. Oh, before I even forget. This comes in the bag as well. Just a plain little bag, I guess, to carry it around. They got some stuff in here. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty neat. So they give you a little squirt bottle. And they give you these little transfers. Tiny little transfers. That you can put stuff on. Comes with a couple different ones. I got this on Amazon again. This is called I believe, Seeutek small heat press, hand press. Just showing you guys little stickers. These are nice little neat ones. Nice little kitty one right there. I had dropped one. Let's see if I can find it. Looks like a sheep. Oh no, it's a little girl. Thought it was a sheep from the back. But no, it's a little girl. But they give you those little things. Also give you instructions, mini heat press. Use your manual. Literally just 3 buttons, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright. But this is the bad boy right here. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out, see if it actually works. See if you guys will want to buy this yourself. Alright guys, we back over here. Go ahead, turn this on. In order to turn it on, hold right onto it. Starts blinking, let you know it's on a low setting. We're gonna try and bring it up to a high. Now once this thing's done heating up, I'm gonna bring you guys right back to it. Alright guys, we back. So literally from turning it on till now it turned green. That was about not even less than 5 minutes that this heated up. This little thing heated up, so I'm pretty sure that it's hot. I feel a little heat coming off the bottom. Not as hot as my heat press, but I don't know. Let's see if these things even press. Whatever these little things are. So normally I guess you're supposed to do that. I don't know if it needs a little cover. Don't think it is. We're just gonna test it out. But you got this right here. Try and get this. We're gonna go ahead. How to best get this? Probably do it like that. And then we're just gonna push down. Use our weight to push down. Hopefully you guys are getting into that. I ain't got a timer. So we just gonna go 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, and the rest of the 5 because I already did it. Oh. Alright, so first thing off the bat, I think I done burned this thing. I'm pretty sure I done burned this. Hold on. This is what happened, guys. It just got all over my thing. So, give me a sec. I don't know what that is. We're gonna go ahead and grab a wipe or something. Try and wipe that down. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea what happened. I think this thing can't be pressed on, whatever it is. I just got this thing, so I'm not gonna try and do it again on this. But I did press hard and all this red stuff kind of came off on it. I'm taking a rag and kind of just wiping it off. And it's coming right off. It's a little hot. It's not as hot as my heat press. This thing does get hot though. Alright, so I'm going to pull out a shirt since this didn't work. Let's see if it works on the shirt. It's on high right now, so I don't know if that makes a difference. I'm off. I don't know. It looks like it's not even the color of the fabric. Alright, so I don't even know if this is going to work. I'm kind of just doing that right there. And we're just going to go ahead and see. So I got that little piece of parchment paper. Didn't work on the other thing. Let's see if it works on the shirt. So far no luck with this thing. It seems that it's too hot. It's burning through. Maybe it is too hot. It's on high. But it don't feel hot. I don't know. It's taking all the stuff off. But it shouldn't do it on the shirt. It should just press right onto it. No problem. But we're going to see. Never used this hand thing before. That was a bad example on the stuff before. I don't even know what happened. But we're going to go ahead and check it. Hey, it heats up though. It heats up though. Alright, let's check this out. Put it back in the little soap carrier right here. Take that off. Hey, what do you know? Look at this. Came right off. So look, that little heat thing works. Looks like the other stuff just wasn't working. That press on that other thing, but it looks like it does work, because this just came right off. And yeah, do I recommend this to somebody using it? You know what? Honestly, I do. It's nice and small. I'm gonna tell you guys, this is the main reason I got it right here, because if you look right here, look what I'm about to do to you. That's what I'm about to, hold on. Let me bring you to the edge over here. This is the edge of the corner of the table, right? You take that right there, that's the neck label. You get that neck label, and you put a neck label in right there. You ain't gotta do it on the edge of the table, but that's why I mostly got this thing. Cool little press thing right there. This thing is neat though. Like I said, this is called a Seeutek hand press. And there's the name right there, Seeutek. I definitely recommend it for somebody who's trying to get into the t-shirt stuff, don't want to spend too much. I don't even think this was about more than $30. I think it was less than that. But it's a nice little hand press. You can do handbags, you can do book bags, you can do shoes, you can do neck tags. You can do everything that has to do small. You don't always need a huge heat press. This is going to help me out so much on small little touch-ups, small little anything that has to do with heat that don't involve having to bring out a big old heat press and having to heat it up every time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make another video using this machine to press super color. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I like it. Shout out to the wife for getting it. But if you guys like this week's video, want to see more, stay tuned. We got more videos coming. If you guys want me to review anything or you got anything on the market, just let me know. I'll see if I can bring it in.